Did Toothless ate Hiccup's leg? Well, hello everyone, I'm new here. I will share to you all of my Let's get back to the topic. Did Toothless really ate Hiccup's leg? Well, we all know Toothless for a past few years, but what happened to Hiccup's leg? Well, Toothless is a night fury and his best friend is Hiccup. But did he really eat Hiccup's leg? Well, this is my answer for this question. Toothless didn't eat Hiccup's leg, BC. If we rewatch the video, you clearly see that Toothless trying to catch Hiccup and save him. At this clip, we can clearly see Toothless is trying to save Hiccup, BC. If Toothless didn't save him, no one will control his tail, and Hiccup's father will also be sad. And that's why Hiccup's leg is now a medal. If we all know Toothless really saved him, BC, he is already his friend and gained his trust. And even though Hiccup's leg is a medal, doesn't mean that Hiccup can't control Toothless' tail. That's all for today, BC. Tomorrow we will know if Toothless really related to the panther. Well, I will explain it tomorrow.